I'm gonna go over these 4x4 post lights. So if you're like me and you've got a privacy fence like this with posts that are about spaced out, I don't know, maybe 6 foot apart, because my fence is done and I just went ahead and installed them down, but I saved one just for you guys to check out. So open it up, you're gonna get them in like this right here. Here's the base. So this base on these pops in like that. So that's a way, if you want to install the base, say it's a smaller pole, you'll put that base on and then that drops on there like this. But what I did, I used the supplied hardware screws just like this, went down through the top of each one and screwed them down to the top of the post. Now to turn these on, you see how it's a 2-part base? Right like that. See, there's down, that's the warm light. I don't know how well you can see it, the warm light. I will show these things at night when I get them all. When it gets nighttime out here, I'll do kind of like a walkthrough of them. Actually, I'll throw that up right now of them looking at night, and you'll get to see kind of what they all look like while they're in, like, lit up, and you could see how nice it made the fence all look down through there. But back to this, you'll pop that piece off. All the way down is warm, all the way up is like cool light. So we're going warm light. You can see how that has no particular way of going on. And then this, same way, goes on just like that. So let's unscrew these. You're gonna take both of these off. These things will charge all day long, and then at the end of the day, they'll be fully charged, and they seem to last all night. I've had these things up for a while. Now, the way I'm doing it, you see the 4x4 right like that? I'm all facing them all to the left right there. You will need a drill with a driver bit. Now, some of my posts were a little tough to get on, but I like it like that. See that? Popped on. And then let's go up here like this. Line it up. Now, you do have to kind of like hold your screw to get it started. I put my drill on a low setting so I don't pop the plastic. Just like that. You guys see that? See how that is just like that? Now there is a screw hole there and a screw hole there. Let's grab the top and let's put the top on it. Okay, well, I do hear a little thunder, everybody, so I better get to work on these things. So here's the base right here. You'll put that piece on there like that. You guys see that? Turn that on. It is on. Bam, just like that. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Let's go down. Now when I put my hand on it, you see that? See how they popped on right there? Same way with these. You can see I ran it all the way down just like this. I'm just verifying they all work. That looks awesome. And it kind of covers up like some imperfections that might be on the actual posts and all that. Now this one might need to get a little charge. I just installed these, so the sun hasn't been on them all day, but you know what? They seem to all be working right now. See that? They're coming on. Yeah, so if you've got like some imperfections on the top of your pole right here, it'll actually help out with covering up that. But look how that looks nice down through there, everybody. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the 4x4 post light covers. See y'all next video.